Now that we have all of our data for all of our events displaying, let's make a new level from scratch, and we'll test everything that we'll make sure that everything works for a new level. Just to show that, check out how easy this system is to use. You just work it, and the analytics system says, "I got your back, bro."
That's good.
It'll actually say that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. DataBricks says it. It's just on the other side of the server, so you don't hear it.
So we don't actually.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I did say from scratch, but I actually do lie when I say that. Let's just duplicate level 1, and it's called at level 3. How handy.
Cool.
So I'll make level 3. We need to come into the level manager, and we'll call it level 3. It's version 1.0 of this level. There's nothing else that we need to change inside of here except for the next level. Now, we're not actually going to complete this, but it would go to level 4 so that it doesn't actually break, though. We'll set that to level 1.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's make it so that there is 2 ways of getting to the end. Let's transform this thing. We're on the correct level, yes. Make you go 90 degrees that way.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't really know what I'm doing here. I was thinking of putting like a big wall here.
Mm.
And then having one enemy be over here. I'll make him patrol up and down. And then having this one here just to show that it can go multi-level, because at the moment we've got everything on a flat plane.
Mm.
What if we instead of doing that, moved this guy 90 degrees, move it over here, and then we can duplicate it. Whoop. Whoop. Move it up a bit. You can go there. Rotate this one-ish like that. Move you here. And then make it smaller. Like it's a ramp. We can go up the ramp.
Can we go up the ramp?
We can go up the ramp.
Okay.
It's not clickable at the moment, so we changed the tag of the ground to be ground so that we can actually click on it. If we take these walls and make them be on the ground, they should now be clickable so we can go to those positions.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what else would we want to do on this level? Let's have another enemy who can be up on the wall or on the upper ramp. And he's looking out people that way. We'll make this thing wider. I guess we'll make both of them wider and move them off to the side. And the enemy, nope, the other enemy. Your vision radius can be a little bit less.
So there's only really one way to go there? Oh, you mean we could go underneath as well?
So we could try and go, if we moved him further forward, there we go. We would be able to go underneath here.
Mm.
Hooray, and we're sneaking around in the shadows. Or we could come up, whoa, you're really not on that wall, are you? Sit down. Sit down a little more. So if we put the camera maybe here, then you'd be able to sneak underneath the wall, or you'd be able to go around this guy around the outside.
Right.
And then, yeah, we'll have this enemy turn around. Negative 180. He's not even going to control. He's just going to sit here, staring at us this way.
Okay. All right.
I'm just trying to make a new level. Yeah.
Fair enough. And then you're going to change patrol points. Yeah.
So I don't even want patrol points. Just stationary and scanning. Just really simple. Mm-hmm. Size of you is 0 because you've got nothing, which means the patrol route can go away. So now we have the player who will now start back here a little bit. And let's go to, I'm going to put the game here next to the screen, the scene. Take a camera, and I forgot that it gives me the camera perspective over in the little corner. Move it here, rotate it around.
Cool.
That works kind of well-ish, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
So if we're playing the game, then we could come underneath the wall here and hide in the shadows, or we could go around over the top. So we've now got a level 3, and that's it. Let's play it.
Do it.
Cool. Let's play. This doesn't quite go to the ground, but it's fine. Our position is not doing a nav mesh. It's just doing where did you click? Go to that position.
Okay.
So let's check that all of our analytics events are firing when we do this as well, because they should all be in here. We set up a debug log for all this stuff, didn't we?
So.
Yeah. All right. So would you like to play, Nick?
All right. Cool. Thank you. Ooh.
Nick is now playing the game.
No reference exception.
That's not cool. We should probably fix those first. He came straight to you. Oh, we forgot to turn off the patrol point, so he's straight to 000.
Well, he's affected. Well, he found me.
Nick got spotted. Okay. Can I borrow, please?
Oh.
I would love to fix these things. Enemy. Let's call. We'll call this one enemy lower level. And the enemy on the lower level wants to have his name be. It can't be Jeffrey. We've already gotten past Jeff.
Jonathan.
Is that how you spell Jonathan?
I was going to spell it without a H, but it's fine.
That's a good point. You don't have a H in Jonathan.
That's Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Is it Jonathan? Oh God.
This is to any Jonathan watching this. I'm sorry. I'm going to go for Jonathan. The other one we're going to call this one enemy upper level. And the upper level can be called Sarah.
Yep.
Enemy lower level Jonathan.
Yeah, it's Jonathan.
Jonathan is a fan. You're stationary. You're that. You are nothing. So they're all empty because we deleted them all, and that's what it's whinging about. So it's going straight to. I must want to go to 000. Whoa, hey, 0. There we go.
Yep.
And supposing I have set everything up correctly, Nick, show us how to not get spotted. Or get spotted, whichever way you want to go. So we kind of need to test everything.
All right.
Let's check the events. What's the event now?
Argument is out of range. Index. Enemy upper level. Oh, let's just see if it will.
It's trying to patrol and then having a freak out about it.
All right, well, doesn't matter.
You can't click on them.
No.
Oh, no. All right, well, you can try and sneak underneath. So can we see all different event types firing here? What do we got? We've got...
I think it collided with the enemy. Did I?
Enemy upper level collide with player. Oh, because it was a type wall and now we've called it type ground. So it's seeing straight through it. This isn't going according to plan, but so I'm seeing lots of click and distance. I'm not seeing a time.
Click based distance, yeah. Spotted.
The spotted's working, and the level complete is working. All right.
Okay. Well, I reckon it's probably. Well,
what are you looking for?
How do I go to level 1? The level manager.
The level manager or the analytics manager?
Well, I don't know.
That one.
It's the time.
Time by 50. All right.
50.
50? Why did we set that as like 50 ages ago to like stop spamming us from getting time?
Probably it must have been a debugger thing.
Yeah. All right. So
I reckon that's it. All right. Let's.
Wow, we must have done that one a while ago. So let's put this as
like 0.5.
Two every 0.5 seconds. Send another event to say where the player was.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Nick has decided 0.5 is the value.
Unless we have it set to an integer.
It's a float though.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right. Good.
My turn.
Okay.
It's not doing anything because we haven't started, and now we've started. There's our times.
Good.
And I'm just gonna skedaddle around this way and not get spotted. Yes, I won the level.
Yeah, but you weren't in as long as I was.
Well, I probably got 3 stars for completing it without being spotted and finishing it.
But
really
maybe
fast.
the achievement was to be in the level as long as you could stand.
Oh yeah, maybe it was. It's like playing Grand Theft Auto. Who can
evade the cops.
The cops are the longest. They're just standing there, man. I can evade them for ages.
Sit there.
Okay, cool. So we've now captured some data about this level. The point of this was actually to be able to demonstrate, can we go upstairs and capture in 3 dimensions? So let's quickly do this. Let's grab this ground and we'll
well, this is also good because then we get some more data.
Indeed. Let's make this be 5 and 5. No, make it 1 and 1. Here we go. We'll move.
What's this?
This, I've duplicated the ground because the ground's clickable.
Okay.
So I'm hoping that if we just duplicate the ground, we should just be able to skip straight over to it. Just above it. There we go. If we're doing that, why not just get rid of you?
Why don't you just... Oh, okay.
I actually did want that there.
Can't you just give the wall the properties of the ground?
I don't know what they were.
Can you see here?
I could, or I could do this.
Okay, fair enough.
All right, just to quickly test if this works. There's some
Yep.
ground.
Good. Do it.
If I click here, can I make a mad dash for straight here? No, I can't.
Did we set
Ground. Oh, did we like say if it was called ground?
Maybe.
Ground. You go away. Try it again. Get moving. Yes, there we go. So I'm going this way and I'm not being spotted. And wait, no, don't go off that. So it's just doing a full-on positional lerp.
That's pretty good.
But okay, so now we should have some data that went under and got spotted. We should have some that goes this way around to the left and doesn't get spotted. Yes! And also some that comes up the ramp and does not get spotted. Yes! Nick, would you like another turn to get spotted?
I'd love to get spotted again. I'm going to go up.
Oh, whichever way suits you.
But I'm also going to go down this side. Whoop, pretty good.
Oh, don't show the bugs. It's like your guy was crouching just then, eh?
Where?
Because he was halfway through the ground. And Nick has won the level. Alright.
And flew all the way to the other side.
And one more. Just quickly checking that we can get spotted by the top guy here to here.
Oh, right. I was supposed to get spotted.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, yeah. He was crouching.
And I got spotted that way. And spotted over here. And then we didn't actually finish the level. All right, so that's enough data capture. Sorry, yeah, it was too hard. We just kept getting spotted. Well, that's enough for capturing the data. Let's finish this video. There's going to be a bit of time before this data appears on S3. So what we will do while that is happening is redeploy the web API, which, because the last video we were using it locally instead of actually on EC2.
Yep.
So we will do that in the next video. If you want to go ahead and do it yourself.
Are we going to put it back onto the server in the next video?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So we're just going to, yeah.
All right, sure.
Cool. And if you want to follow along and do that, great. If you've already fixed the issue, then you can skip the next video. We're not going to do anything except redeploy that and then set the code back to be looking at the EC2 server.
All right, cool.
That was all spoken really fast. I should slow down.
Calm down.
I can't. There's another video to record. Let's get going. Bye.